And welcome back to our Scalper video. In this video, we're going to be going over a trade I took today. There's a lot of scratch trades that I took, like just in and out quickly, seeing that it's not going in my way.
But it's
But this is the one.
Yes, of course. Yeah. But
so one is
I'm
only
sneezing
for
again and I'm
Facebook,
recording. Oh my gosh, this is bad.
yeah, the rest
I
is
think
just
I'm
for-
allergic to
just for
recording.
the video.
But this is the one
Checking
that
more things.
really
you see all markets, it's good.
took
That's
off, and
really
I had
cool,
all the right
totally.
ideas.
And usually,
Okay, so
like
let's
in
get
a
into
normal
it.
day,
So
you trade
this
one asset.
line
I see
over
you
here
mostly trading
is value
US
high.
oil.
This is
So
value
you just
low.
like in your
And
screen,
this
do you
is
keep
where we opened.
just
So we opened,
one
pushed through
30-minute
value area
chart,
low,
or
came
you have
back
more
in,
time frames? How is
close
the
to the
charts that you're using?
value area low again.
Oil, I think
So now I'm expecting it to go the other way.
daily,
Did
30
that,
minutes, 5 minutes,
and
1 minute,
then
market profile, footprint I also have open.
if we then draw
Order book? Do you also
new
have the order book?
like ideas,
Now it's
yeah,
bringt
if
mich
it's
mehr
gonna
durcheinander, wie das es
do
mir
something
früher
like
hilft,
this
aber da bin
or
ich
do
zu
something like this, which it ultimately
ruhig
did
oder
do,
zu
the
langsam.
second one.
When you take a
B
trade,
or A.
what like before taking that trade, what's your
B is what it
process?
did,
What can
and
you
we're
share
prepared
about
for that.
the process of
So
taking a
let me
trade
just
for you?
Das
take off
ist
the that
vollkommen
again.
unterschiedlich, also je nachdem,
So
welche
this
Tradeart
value
du
area
hast,
high, we're looking for buys above.
Swing
Since it
Trades,
pushed through already,
kurzer Swing Trade oder was der Grund ist. Also
since it
meistens
pushed
ist
through,
es,
we're looking for buys above, waiting for the cash up to
zeichne mir die
VWAP,
Zone von meinem
and
Profile
waiting
ein,
for
schau, ob der
a
Kurs da ist und
divergence. Now
es
here I
wird nicht
saw the
jeder Trade beschrieben.
divergence.
When you in
Super
your
quick, sorry.
trading
Let's
style,
throw that
do
back
you
in.
have a specific take profit and you forget about it, or when you exit the trade, is there some discretion?
Also ich habe immer einen festes
And
Ziel, wo ich
here,
rausgehe, aber natürlich manage ich alles noch aktiv, wenn ich da bin. Also
so it wasn't a divergence in terms of the lows being different, but
ja,
the way it got to those lows,
aber
the way it
ich
pushed
schaue,
to the
dass
highs
ich ziehe
was
selten
what I
den
was
Stop noch,
interested in.
sondern gehe dann lieber manuell
And the
raus.
fact that there was a huge amount of buying
And
here,
about the stop loss, do you have
and then
like,
another huge
do you
amount
have
of
rules
buying.
you can move your
With
stop loss
other
to break
calendar way I was
even
looking at.
or trailing? Do you use those things, or you
So
just
much
place the
easier
stop
to
loss and you
do
forget
this in
about it?
real
Ich
time.
mag Stop noch ziehen eigentlich nicht so, weil er hat ja einen Sinn, warum
Yeah.
er da ist, wo man ihn hingelegt hat. Und meistens
Oh,
ist
this
ineffizient, also zumindest bei meiner Art zu handeln,
Yeah,
wenn
this
ich
one.
danach
So
ziehe.
there's a huge amount of
Also
buying,
dann
pushing
gehe
through
ich lieber dann,
old
ich mache
highs,
halt nicht. Du?
large buying, and then the selling
Loss, but only if the trade is in
was a large selling with almost no difference in the candle.
Sometimes you have the entries where you think like, oh, that's
So that
nice.
already sparked the idea of we going higher.
Or slightly below break even.
We pushed through the value area highs.
Like to trail too often because I just
We had over here
just stopped out at the
another small candle on the delta on the CVD, but on the price there was a large down move. That's another divergence on its own, and then all the way up until here.
Yes, it makes sense.
So yeah, when there was this big buying again, that's when I got slightly nervous. But the idea was that as long as price doesn't close below this low that made the big buying, and those big buys aren't stepping in and defending price, we're still gonna continue up, which we did until eventually, as you can see, price closed below the low, and then there was no defense at that point anymore.
On his phone, there's always moving average and RSI because I think it's the basic setting of MetaTrader.
So that was my key points. And then there's another small divergence. Big buying candle with no movement in price right here.
It's just there.
Big buy, almost no movement in price.
Trading style, more or less, how many trades do you open in?
Then I took the long. Took the long from Valley Area High up to Virgin Valley Area High, which is up here. You can see it here. And this has been a target for many days when I was going long. Like in years, if I would have been going long, I would have had this as a target. But yeah, I'm going long, and that's the target. So that's a small trade breakdown. I think I got taken out for 1 to 0.6, just because of time. With my final futures, if you don't close your positions at 10 past or by 10 past 4 Eastern Standard Time, the system will automatically close it for you. So they don't allow holding overnight. Although there is a way to get around it. It's just at this time, the system closes you out, and maybe 1 minute later you end in the same direction, same stop, same target. That's, I think, a way you could get around it. But yeah, that's the trade for today. Like 0.7%. Or 0.7 or could have been up 3.5 or 3, 4 or.
So when you're not trading,
I could have had a tighter stop as well, but
what's your day
you know,
like? What do you like to do?
we live and we learn.
Trading.
Cheers, bye.
Professionally and non-professionally.